This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Tuesday, the 8th of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather gradually shifting toward a wetter pattern through midweek, which is pretty good news, I think, for most since we need some rain. Let's go in there and take a look at the big picture this morning. No doubt some active weather north and west of Alabama with a pretty strong trough coming through the upper Midwest. That's producing a band of showers and storms from the southern plains up to the Great Lakes. That was the radar view at 5:02 this morning. Showers and storms coming down into northern Arkansas, approaching the northwestern tip of Tennessee. And up to the north of the state today, we have a risk of severe weather with that feature. That would include Little Rock, Memphis, Nashville, all of Kentucky, up to places like Cincinnati, Pittsburgh, and Buffalo. Tomorrow, there is no formal risk, although we have the low 5% severe weather possibilities across much of the state. That means organized severe weather not expected, although there could be a strong storm around. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is through Sunday morning. Amounts are a little higher on this graphic. This is suggesting rain amounts of over 1 inch for much of north central Alabama, and that's some rain we could use. Weather in the tropics, quiet across the Atlantic basin. We've talked about the dry air in place out there, and that should keep things pretty quiet for a while. The big story is over in the western Pacific. That is Typhoon Neoguri that is scooting just west of Okinawa this morning with winds about 125 miles an hour. That's about a Category 3 storm. That's the forecast track. It'll be coming up on Japan in about 30 hours as a weakening system. It should be down to a Category 1 or a 2 at that point. The main issue, I think, for southern Japan is going to be from flooding. Let's take a look at the modeling, see what's going to happen around here for the next 15 days or so. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see troughing north of the state, and down below that there's a surface low that is over the Great Lakes with a trailing front down through Indianapolis and Tulsa. And again, we'll see showers and storms on that front. But during the day today, for us, the shower should be pretty isolated. This is the HRRR model, valid at 1 o'clock today. And yes, there could be a few showers around, no doubt about that. But like yesterday, they'll be fairly widely spaced. Then tomorrow, the cold front moves down to Nashville and Memphis, and we should see an increase in the number of showers and storms tomorrow. In fact, we might see some rain tomorrow morning. So be aware of that. The sky should be mostly cloudy, and we will not get out of the 80s. In fact, some folks might not make it out of the low and mid-80s tomorrow because of the clouds and showers. This is Thursday. Drier air tries to push down in here from the north. And where that front stalls out will determine where the higher rain opportunities will be on Thursday. We're thinking the front could be stalled out near US 278. That's a line from Hamilton to Cullman to Gadsden. North of that line, the day could be relatively dry. South of that line, the chance of showers and storms will continue. And then this is Friday. The drier air moves deeper into the state, and the chance of rain looks relatively small. Friday should be a mostly sunny day, only a slight chance of a shower. The high would be at or just over 90. And this is Saturday as the weekend begins. You can see how the heights are coming up. There's an upper high center just west of the state. So Saturday, like you'd expect in July, will be hot with low 90s likely. And while there could be a shower, they should be very isolated. And really the same thing on Sunday. So for the weekend, relatively dry, hot with low 90s likely. Some spots could see mid-90s, especially in West Alabama. Next week on Monday, looks like another surface boundary tries to come in from the north. That might bring a little increase in the opportunity for showers and storms. And this is Tuesday. The upper high slides to the west over Texas. And again, that should open the door for an increase in the number of showers and storms with the weakness aloft and the surface boundary coming in from the north. And highs could drop back into the upper 80s by then. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is July 23rd. Got a 594 high to the east and to the west, but again, there's a little weakness in here, and if that's right, that would suggest very typical weather, mix of sun and clouds with a chance of scattered showers and storms. Forecast temperatures off the ensemble look very, very average for July, pretty much for the rest of this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.